Hello and welcome back to my channel, Small Intentional Steps. As you can see from our caption, today we're talking about oatmeal. I wanted to share with you my version of oatmeal today. I enjoy it and try to eat it 3, maybe 4 times per week. Here's some wonderful things about oatmeal. Hope you enjoy this. Bye. Number 1, oatmeal is highly nutritious. It is high in antioxidants and it's a powerful soluble fiber. And so when we think about oatmeal, we may not think about all the many benefits that it can do for the body. Also, for those of us looking to be healthier, some of us want to stay away from carbs, but oatmeal is a healthy carb. A suggestion would be to buy organic oats. The reason being is that oats are one of the most highly sprayed pesticide foods that there is. There are a lot of foods that may be listed on what's called the dirty dozen. For example, your grapes, your apples, your strawberries, blueberries, things that are open. You want to try and buy organic. It takes away that concern about all of the many pesticides that they spray on the foods before they go from farm to table. So again, try to buy oats if at all possible, or the best version of oats that you can afford in bulk if you have a large family. Okay, so I added strawberries, blueberries, pumpkin seeds, sunflower kernels, shredded almonds, and shredded coconut. I like that crunchy taste in my oatmeal. If ever I want a little bit more sweetness, I'll add organic honey. But most times the shredded coconut and the fruit will give me exactly the taste that I want. Hope you enjoyed this information. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.